today we are learning that how to promote your landing page on Twitter and Quora by blogging. Okay, so if you want to do your blogging, so at first I will go for Twitter. Suppose I have a business. So if I have a business, so what you have to do, you have to create a page. So look at here, it is very easy. Just download this app and create a new account. So now name and phone number, and that's all. No need to worry about creating any Twitter. So what you have to learn that you have to know how to promote your landing page on Twitter. You can post any kind of ad. Already have checked it out here. I have given some ad over here. You can post your ad over here to promote your landing page. Even you can promote your landing page through blogging. Suppose I like to write a blog. Blog not more than. You check it here. Always you check. When you will do, you check. Twitter blog size. Oh. Twitter text limit. See, not more than 140 characters and 280 characters. So you have to remember this particular things, that when you are writing any blog, you remember that not more than 140 or 280. They will show you the limit. I mean, on Twitter, when you will post anything, any blog, they will show you the limit. You don't worry about that. So you try to find out any kind of blog writing. Suppose I would like to tell my customer that what is actually I-shaped kitchen, what is the profit. So I-shaped kitchen, I-shaped kitchen problem. Other efficient styles, my ideas. What is an I-shaped kitchen? Okay, what is an I-shaped kitchen? So there is already given answer. See, there's so many blocks you can take from here and can put there. This is how you have to write a blog. You have to give answer. You can give more beautiful than them. Even you can rectify them. So you have to know what is the question. So what is the most efficient kitchen shape? See, galley, work, follow, copy. That's all. Go to Twitter and paste here. Okay, see, it's a little bit more. Full stop, no need. That's very nice blog. What you have to do? This is, you have to add location, enable. You do not forget to add your location. Krishnanagar, Bharat. Okay, that's good. Choose full length. I-shaped kitchen, L-shaped kitchen, and if you want to add more things, add another tweet, or if anything, you know it. I don't need. So then tweet. This is the small block. Always try to put on small block. on Twitter. Size, you go to Google and Twitter post size, you remember. You remember this size. Cover photo 1500 by 500 pixel, profile 200 by 200, shareable image to 1024 into 512, and share link is 520 into 254. This is how this two sizes best size for his Twitter. They do not accept other sites because it is a blogging site, that's why. So this Twitter, one more thing you have to learn, that just now I have checked it out, that the profile, you must need to remember that how should be your profile. Always you go for same color. See Twitter, you check it here, yellow, wood texture and design and color are same for this company. So at every place I have given same color. You can check it out. You can check it out. Simple, I'm giving a two option. You can check it out. See this logo, you check it out, that the same, the color is same. Even I try to post all the images also same color, different design. Same color, different design. Why? Because you have to knock your customer in the mind that hey, I'm here. If they can't remember you, they can remember your color. With the color, they can remember you. You are yellow, something yellow. This company like this. Then they will keep remembering. Then they can finally remember you perfectly with your name. But you have to keep remembering, okay, with your color. So this is the okay. See, this blog is totally added, and if you do not have followers, the same way you have to increase your followers. Go to Twitter and write down location. Suppose my location is Kishannagar. So actually Kishannagar, I'm looking for Kishannagar, not. So latest people, photos, videos. So there are many things you can find out. So I would like to go for people. So here's a person, this BJP Kishannagar, that's I don't need. See here, some maximum thing is a political. So you can, it's a little bit stalking, so you don't care about that. Okay, so this is how you have to spend your time to top. See, BJP Kishannagar, West Bengal, BSF. Then follow. Follow. You have to find. That's why you have to give at least 2 hours every day on every social media to promote your landing page. This is how you have to work. You have to keep patience. Okay. When it will blast, your landing page will blast on Google. money in this lockdown. See, there are so many options. See, how to earn money in this lockdown period, Quora. Although there are so many blogging sites, they have personal blog. Okay, they are ranking because they are selling you something. These all sites, they are selling you 27 ways to make money during coronavirus lockdown. Actually, their personal blog site, that's why they are selling you something. That's why they are ranking. But if you do not have to, you also have to sell. But if you want to make your own personal blog, so you best go for Quora, because these all sites are new. If I am a customer, I do not trust on those sites. I do not trust because I don't know all those sites. Because Quora have more trust and Quora have more followers. As I trust, so your customer also trust Quora. So you go for Quora. You go for Quora. You go and write a blog on Quora. Okay, see, freelancing, what you can do, the only way to get some income during this lockdown period is to work for online. I will suggest you some online works. So freelancing, start your own website, affiliate marketing, surveys and searches and reviews, virtual assignment, assistantship, translating, online tutoring, social media, web designing, content writing, blogging, YouTube, Kindle ebook, selling products online, PTC sites, peer-to-peer, data entry, all this all will help you to earn a lot. So these all ideas they have given. So how you have got from Quora. So this is how your customer also will find you on Quora. So what you have to do, go to Quora and create a space. Suppose this is my Quora blogging site. So I have to create a space. See here, this is spaces. I have to write the spaces. This is my company, and this is Raju Vishwas, and this is actually interior spaces. Okay, so suppose this is my own business, that's why I have chosen these spaces, and in these spaces I always post something like kitchen related, furniture related, interior related. I would like to create another post, another spaces like digital or marketing. Okay, free digital marketing, free digital marketing, learn free digital marketing. For affiliate marketing, see, not more than, it's getting more. So learn free digital, that's all, and continue. Search for any topic, marketing, digital, work home, and digital marketing, make money online. So these three, actually there's a limit. You can't edit your topics, you cannot add more than 3 topics. So done. So below you can see here, getting started. Say add your first piece of content, invite your followers, add a custom icon, and share a space to feed. So I can share this to my feed, share link. Okay, that's done. Next is add icons. I can go to icons and I can choose any icon. See the space color, I can choose here. I'd like to go for this color, and I can set any icon, phone. I'd like to go for any of them, it doesn't matter. Something look cool, that's good. Images, and I go for recent. I just now I got this is the image I am choosing. Okay, why we need marketing, and that's all.